Hello, my name is Gediminas, and today we're going to unbox iBeacon and iSensor. So let's find out what's so special about it. Okay, so here we have a box of iSensors, and let's see what's inside. So opening the box, you will not find any quick start guide or any manual. All the information could be found on our website, so just go there, you will find all the explanations, all the setup guides, everything. So feel free to visit our website. So getting further to the units, we have iSensors, nicely packed up in 5, and we have below another 5. Simple small box you have here. As well, if you want more, we have it more. So we have a bigger box of 100 units here, and opening the box we will find 20 pieces pallet, right, as I call it. So we have these pallets, 5 of them. I'll take them all out here, easily packed up, so you can simply, I don't know, use it 20 of a time, 40 of a time, how many you need, you just take it out simply. Yeah, all holding up pretty well. Smaller and bigger boxes, and moving further we can start right away to see what these little things can do. So we have iSensor and we have iBeacon over here, and comparing these two, it's the only one difference we have here is this little dot in the middle where you can get sensoric measurements. What means you can get temperature, humidity, movement, measurements from either the trailer, the freezer, wherever you like actually. And going further, I have some mounting options which I would like to show you. So basically we can strap on the neck like this, right? Also we can mount it on the zip tie like that. We can put the adhesive tape over here like this, and as well we have screws. So screws, either you can mount it in the trailer, in the wooden surface, or actually whatever surface, these screws will go in. In addition, these little things have IP67, which means water and dust resistant. Well, we don't have dust here, but we have some water where we could test its water resistance, and simply you can mount it anywhere you like, either in the trailer, outside, or where's the harsh conditions you can find. So let's move further and overview the use cases we have here. So speaking about iDevices, they could be used in various different use cases. For example, iBeacon could be used in tracking on construction tools in construction site, as well as track specific trailers, and even farming equipment could be tracked with this small iBeacon. On my other hand, I have iSensor, where you have 4 integral sensors: humidity, temperature, magnet, and movement. With this, you can monitor either the trailer doors were opened or closed, either the portable toilet was emptied out or not, the construction site equipment. So those are the basic and main features these little things can handle. Okay, so now let's move to the one of the most integral part of iBeacons and iSensors, the EYE App. Let's take the phone, open the EYE App over here, looking for devices. Probably it will find me these 100 devices over here. Simply opening up the unit, you see the movement, humidity, you see the temperature and magnetic field, which is undetected. And you can download this application directly from App Store or Google Play. iBeacons and iSensors have limitless opportunities. Thanks for watching the video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.